In this video, we'll demonstrate how to access and utilize Canvas's free AI text-to-image generator. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to use this powerful tool, but also pick up some handy tips and tricks for creating outstanding photos. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. The AI text-to-image generator helps you enhance design creativity and efficiency by generating realistic images just from text descriptions, saving ample time and effort. To get started, if you haven't already, sign up for a free Canvas account. You can use your Gmail, Facebook, or email for registration. Once logged in, go to the upper right-hand corner and click on Create a Design. After choosing your desired design, head to the left-hand sidebar and click on the app's icon. You'll find the AI text-to-image generator listed as the first app. Canvas provides inspirational prompts for generating images, or you can enter your own. Additionally, you can select a style. Click Generate Image and patiently wait a few seconds. Voila! Canvas has now produced several original images. Simply select your preferred one by clicking on it or dragging it into your design. As we progress through each step, I encourage you to join our channel as a member to support our content creation journey. Your support is what allows us to bring you high-quality videos like this one. Sometimes generating a suitable prompt can be challenging. A helpful tip for creating remarkable images with Canvas is to explore other AI generators like DALL-E. Browse their generated images, find one you like, copy the prompt, and paste it into Canvas to see what it comes up with. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications.